Hey everyone, Christu here from Toonboxstudio.com, and I'm going to be introducing silhouettes painting in this video. So what exactly is silhouettes painting? Silhouettes painting is a digital painting style where you can take a sketch of a character that you've created and paint a silhouette of colors that forms that beautiful character. Imagine a drawing of a character that you have colored in with all those nicely drawn outlines that forms the design of the character. Well, now imagine the opposite. Imagine a character with minimal line work that allows the colors to really portray the design of the character instead. So basically you're capturing shapes of colors that portrays the character instead of lines. This is what makes silhouettes painting so unique and also one of the most popular digital painting styles online today. Some of the biggest influencers online have become super popular using this style of digital painting. How did I discover this style? Well, I was observing some of the popular artists who are really crushing it on Instagram, who have a massive amount of followers and engagement. And two things caught my eye. The first thing that caught my eye was how regularly they were posting finished rendered pieces throughout the day. I would see them posting 3 to 5 times a day and wonder where do they find this kind of speed to produce these fully rendered images. So I started to research them and I noticed that they all had something in common, and that was silhouettes painting. I will explain more in a sec. The second thing that caught my eye was how much people were seriously engaging with this style of artwork and the amount of exposure that these artists were getting as well. So I decided to learn silhouette painting just to figure out what the appeal was. I discovered that the reasons were because of how fresh and clean the end result looked that even non-artists found it so attractive. It's very relaxing to create, and above all, it's so easy to produce finished pieces of artwork versus other digital painting styles, including my own. So if you're looking for a digital painting style that is easy to learn, fast to execute, and that can gain you exposure, silhouettes painting is the perfect solution for you. I've put together a step-by-step training course for anyone who wants to learn silhouette painting. This course has all the knowledge and tools that you'll need, and I have done most of the work for you already. This style is super easy to learn, and once you have mastered the steps, you'll be able to execute finished pieces of artwork very, very fast. Here's what's inside the course. You're going to be learning how to capture readable shapes from your sketch, paint a silhouette of colors to form your character, how to push the curves to make the shapes look even stronger. This is really, really important, by the way. My basic rule of color choices, separating the shapes, where to add minimal line work correctly for clarity, which is also very important, adding cast shadows, using the multiply and overlay layer blend modes, painting both a day and night scene, using the linear fill to add some flavor to your artwork, plus more. You can use your own sketch to follow the class, or you can use the sketch that I'm demonstrating with that is ready for you to download inside the course files. And also you can follow along with any digital painting software that you like Photoshop, Painter, Paint Toolside, Clip Studio Paint, etc. The choice is yours, but you do need to have the basic knowledge of your software's user interface. The tools I use in this training are basic common tools that are available in every digital painting software. I demonstrate this course using a software called Sketchbook Pro, which is also officially free for you to download from the Sketchbook Pro website, but once again you can follow along with any software. So like I mentioned before, if you're looking for a digital painting style that is easy to learn, fast to execute, and that can gain you exposure, silhouettes painting is the perfect solution for you. It's time to become your own favorite artist. Take a look at the link in the description below to check out this course. I'm Christu, and I'm known for my 100% practical, detailed demonstration and explanation with many tips and tricks. I can't wait to see you inside the course, here at Toonboxstudio.com.